All right, viewers, we have breaking news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir right now. No sources tell Republic TV that Pakistan has opened fire at the line of control in the Krishna Ghati sector of Poonch district. An incident is reported last night from around 10:50 p.m. Indian Army also fired some rounds to rule out the possibility. These were speculative rounds to rule out the possibility of infiltration. And Indian Army troops are now maintaining the highest level of alertness on the line of control after Pakistan's mischief. So that's the latest update we have right now. Viewers, remember there have been increased deployment of the forces and anti-terror operations have been underway in the wake of back-to-back terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. And now sources tell us that last night there was Pakistan open firing at the line of control in Poonch district. And my colleague Gursimran Singh joins us live on the broadcast from more. Gursimran, tell us more about this piece of information that is coming in. We understand that Pakistan opened fire at the LOC on the 28th of June.
Yes, on the 28th of June, that is what we are getting to know, that at around 10:50 in the night, Pakistan opened round. More than 24 rounds were fired from the Pakistani side. That is what we are getting to know from our sources within the Jammu and Kashmir police and also within the Indian Army. That Pakistani fire was given a reply by the Indian side, but it was limited to the speculative fire only, as the Indian Army ensured that there is no infiltration of the terrorists, because what it was presumed that the Pakistan has opened fire to facilitate the infiltration of the terrorists into the Indian territory. Reason being that we have seen time and again Pakistan trying to push their terrorists, and also many of their attempts have been successful. 5 terrorists have been neutralized in last 50. In view, the Indian Army troops were on the alert. They also retaliated with a speculative fire to ensure that there is no infiltration into the India's own territory. It was somewhere a 30 minutes entire incident that was reported, and since then there has been a calm on the line of control in the Krishna Ghati sector of the Poonch, and the Indian Army is maintaining the highest level of alertness. We spoke to some of the senior officials in the Jammu and Kashmir police as well. They have also confirmed to us the incident that has taken place, and they have said that the troops on ground as well as on the LOC and on hinterland, they are maintaining the highest level of alertness, keeping in view the recent mischiefs of the Pakistan, wherein they are trying to push as many terrorists as they can into the Indian territory. But this comes a serious concern for the Indian side, because Pakistan, which on the book says that they are abiding by the ceasefire agreement that was reached upon by the militaries of both the sides in February 2000.
All right, thanks so much, Gursimran Singh, joining us with those latest inputs coming in on Pakistan reportedly opening fire at the line of control last night. And now, viewers, remember there have been back-to-back terror attacks in the valley, and after which the Amarnath Yatra security has been beefed up, and it kickstarts today. There are 2 routes that have been adopted for this for the Amarnath Yatra, and it is the Pahalgam route, and the other is the Noonwar Pahalgam route, and the other is the Baltal track. And of course, there is heavy deployment of security forces for the same. Here's a ground report to know more.
Yes, the first batch of Amarnath Yatra today has been flagged off by DC Anantnag. He's being accompanied by SSP Anantnag, and one can see the Yatris in full zeal and enthusiasm, because they will be taking the Yatra, which is more than 40 kilometers, and this Yatra will be covered in around 4 days. So one can see in all age groups, the devotees have assembled, because they will be taking the route of from here, the Noonwar base camp. They will be taking the route of Chandanwadi, Shishnag, and further to up to this Amarnath Cave, because this is one of the traditional routes of the Amarnath Yatra, because this Yatra will be, this batch will complete its Yatra in the 4 days. So one can see the devotees have been lined up for their turn, and some of them will also board the vehicle, some will board take the pony ride to reach the cave. So these are the arrangements that comes from the J&K administration, where the security part is taken care by the Jammu and Kashmir police.